series. Before starting, if you are new to Explore Electronics, then subscribe to it for more videos, syllabus explanation. Let us start with the topics covered in this video. Instant as argument and parameters, converting an instance to a string, instant as a return value. These are all the topics covered in this from module 4. Here the first topic is instances as arguments and parameters. When an object is passed to a function, both the function and the caller shares the same object, not a copy. And whenever any changes made inside the function, that will affect the original object. Clear? Example with the point object, let us say define print point pt print 0, 1 dot format pt dot x pt dot y. P is equal to point 3, 4 point of print point of p. Here when you pass an instance like p to a function like print point, the function receives a reference to the same object, not a copy. So in this example, p is a point object, print p passes the same object to the function. Inside the function, pt and p both refer to the same point instance. That's why the function can access and print pt.x and pt.y as 3 and 4. Function can access and use the attributes of the passed objects. Clear with the example? The next concept is converting an instance to a string. Instead of using separate functions like print point, we can add a method to the class to produce a string. Initially, we can define a toString method. Let us see with an example. Class point defined to string self. Here class point defines a blueprint to create a point objects. After that, return 0, 1 dot format self.x and self.y. Here the self.x and self.y stores the x and y values inside the object. P is equal to point 3, 4, which means it creates a point object with x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Print p.to string method. Here it prints the coordinates of the points, that is 3 and 4. Clear with the example? Python star string and print methods don't automatically use this and show the default object info. Here by default Python's string and print methods, the functions will show a generic representation of an object, that is main dot point object at 0x and all. To change this, you need to define a special method called string self. Here you called it inside the class, and this example shows a point class with a string method that returns the format like string x and y. And in this example, the string defines how an object looks when it is printed. So the string p and the print p, both call the string and show the output as 3 and 4. That's why string and print both refer to and both call the string only. Python automatically uses string for string conversion and printing. The next topic is instances as return values. The functions and methods can return instances of a class. The functions and methods can return the instances of a class. Here we have 3 options. The first one is using a regular function, and second one is using a method in class. The third option is composable calls without variables. Let us see the first option, using regular function. Define midpoint p1 and p2. It returns the midpoint of point 1 and 2. Here point 1 and 2, it will return the midpoint of these two. By adding p1 and p2 divided by 2, we will get 4, like that. mx is equal to p1 dot x plus p2 dot x divided by 2, which means it is calculating the midpoint of the p1 and p2 for x, and for y, my is equal to p1 dot y plus p2 dot y divided by 2. For y, it is calculating the midpoint. Return print of mx and my. It will print 4 and 8 because for p1 and p2 we have 3 plus 5 divided by 2 means we will get 4. It will return 4. After that, p1 dot y plus p2 dot y means 4 plus 12 we have divided by 2 we will get 8. Here p points we have 3 and 4. After that, q points we have 5 and 12. 3 plus 5 divided by 2 we will get 4, and 4 plus 12 divided by 2 we will get 8. Clear with it? Here the function creates and returns a new point object. The function creates and returns a new point object, and arguments p1 and p2 are point instances. p1 and p2 are point instances, and return the value r is also point instance. Here the return value r is also a point instance. The second option is using a method in class. Here also same class point define halfway of self target. It will return the halfway point between self and target. Here we are taking self and target instead of p1 and p2. Self dot x plus target dot x divided by 2. Here p is equal to 0.3, 4, q is equal to 0.5, 12, and r is equal to p dot halfway of q. Here 3 plus 5 divided by 2 we will get 4, and 4 plus 12 divided by 2 we will get 8. That's why it will return 4.0 and 8.0. Same as the previous example. It will return the point mx and my. Here the method is called on an instance, that is p. The target is another point instance, that is q. The return, the r is the new point instance. Clear with the option 2? And the option 3 we have composable calls without variables. That is print point of 3, 4 dot halfway of point of 5, 12. Here it will print the halfway of the midpoint of the halfway. That is 3 plus 5 divided by 2. You can see here 3 plus 5 divided by 2 and 4 plus 12 divided by 2. It will print the midpoint of the halfway. Then you will get 4 and 8. Clear with the instance as return values with the 3 options. Here completes the module 4.